Is that a big boy bed, Joshua? Is that a big boy bed?
Joshua. Joshua. Say cheese. Cheese.
Are we gonna give it a try?
Joshua. Cheese.
All right. We got all our friends with us. Yeah. That's a big boy bed.
Are you ready?
He's a big boy in a big room.
Alright. It's time to go to bed. Tell her good night. Yeah, right here. It's time to go to bed.
All right, let's see how this goes.